All right, we're back. Still the same day as the last video, so I haven't talked to the owner of this and see if we could work out a deal on it. But I thought no matter what, let's go ahead and fix his driver's seat because it's quite the situation going on here. So this has the seat twist. It has two different kinds of seat twists. The back twist, and 2001 and up, they had this issue. It's more prevalent on 2001 and up. And basically what we're going to do here is the motor in the very front is right there. Oh, let me get a light. Hold on. All right, so the motor in the very front, which is right here, does the back, right? It runs a cable on each side that goes to the back. Now, how you test this out, you recline it and you see which side's moving. So on this one, this side was still working fine. This side was stationary. So the first thing before you take anything apart, you try to get the seat as straight as possible, as level as possible before you even take this apart. Now we know that was something crawling on my head, bug or something. Now we know that that's the side we took these two 8mm bolts out that hold the little motor in right here, and you can see where they went right there, right there. Once you take that out, that'll let you. What the hell's crawling on me? Well, I got cooties or something. That'll let you pivot the motor down. At that point, you pop this out. So what we're going to do here, we're going to get our little lighter. You can use a little torch. I think I have a barbecue pit lighter. We're going to get a pair of pliers. We're going to heat this up. We're going to pull this end off. I'm going to go and do that right meow. All right, so all we're going to do here, let's get like our lineman pliers. We're basically just going to hold it. We're going to heat up that end. All right, there we go. Now, set this somewhere it's not going to burn anything. A little metal tray will sit it right there. Let that cool off just for a second. Let that firm back up. We're going to take a pair of cutters. We have a pretty sharp pair of cutters here. We're going to cut about 7/16 of an inch off of that, without cutting the middle. This only cutting the outside band. And there we go. You can see right here, we cut about that much off of it. And that's going to allow that cable to go further to the end. That cable's kind of a little bit messed up on the end, but it should be fine. So now what we're going to do is get our pliers back. We're going to get our end. We're going to go ahead and heat. We're going to preheat this up and basically just push it right back on there, right? Get it real nice and hot. We're going to go and cram it right back on there. Goes right back on there. No problem at all. And we have to let it cool before we put it back on there. So what we're going to have to do, let that cool just for a little bit longer. She's a little hot yet, boys. She's a little hot yet. Alright, so we're going to cram her up in there. In there, we're going to put our two bolts back in. time. Oh. Okay, there's this. Now we have another issue. The bottom of this thing is also lifting crooked. I don't remember what the situation with that was. That had to be with this motor right here. But that's gear driven, so I might have a broken gear on this thing for the lift itself. I don't know. We'll see. But let's go and do the back lift now. Okay, we're all the way up. Pry down this bad boy. Looks like it's working fine. I guess you could do the other side too while you're here, but this one seems to be doing okay. No issue at all. That's the fix, man. I feel like I was all shaky during this. However, you can see how I have this here. I just have my 12-volt power supply. I just have it hooked. The bottom is positive, the top is negative on the big prongs, and that lets me power it up on the workbench. A lot of guys do this in the car. I mean, I guess you could, but getting that cable back in that motor in the car is going to be a real pain in the ass. So yeah, that's going to be it for the backrest twist issue. And like I said, make sure you have it straightened out before you do that. And now I think what we're going to have here is a broken gear on this lower unit. If I remember right, that's what the situation is. So, alright guys, I hope you liked the video. Hope this fixed your E39. Good luck. Okay guys, so real quick before I close this video out, I know I closed it out, but just solved the mystery of the seat lifting crooked, the bottom lifting crooked. And if you look underneath here, the motor I just fixed is right here. There's actually another motor right there. Well, I don't know if you can see that or not. It's right in front of it, so it's right behind this leather. And that's got the same issue. It's even on the same side. I take the same tape, the same screws out of that motor, pop it out, melt the end off, do the same thing, and that should take care of it. We'll have to do the same thing, the passenger side seat in this car. But while we got this out, I'm going to go and pull this trim back on and tidy it up really good, clean it, and that's it. Thanks for watching.